Welcome to the Wildeck Workshop series. In this video, we will be going through the installation process for a Wildeck mezzanine. Mezzanines are freestanding industrial steel platforms that provide additional storage space or workspace to a facility. They can range from very small to very large depending on the application, and Wildeck customizes them to fit your exact needs. This tutorial will go through each phase of the install process and cover everything you need to know when installing a mezzanine. Start by unloading the materials and organizing them by component type. Do not proceed with installation until your part count is complete and accurate. Before starting installation, lay out chalk lines of the mezzanine's column locations based on the drawings. Next, begin moving the mezzanine columns into position to prepare to be set up. Once columns are in position, stand them up and align the base plate centers with the chalk lines. Drill holes for the anchors and loosely secure the column base plates to the floor. Then, bring the framing into position so that it is ready to be installed to the columns. Attach the connection angles to the framing. Be sure to reference the framing plan drawing and the connection details. Then, raise the framing into position and bolt to the columns using the provided hardware. Continue this until all framing is in place, and do not fully tighten the bolts yet, in case of possible adjustments. Note that the framing type displayed here is beam and beam. Wildeck also offers a variety of other framing structures, including C-section, as shown here. For a full list of framing options, visit our website at wildeck.com. Check the plumbness of the columns to ensure they are level. Once confirmed, the base plates can then be tightly secured to the floor. The framing can then also be tightly secured to the columns. Begin cutting kick plate as needed and position it at the required locations. Once in position, secure it to the mezzanine framing. Next, attach and bolt guardrail posts to the mezzanine framing. Attachment methods and locations are shown in the provided drawings. Shown here is square tube rail, but Wildeck also offers round tube as well. Mezzanine stairs can then be installed. Displayed here are bolt-together stairs, but Wildeck offers fully welded stair options as well. Next, begin laying out and installing the decking at the top of the mezzanine. Note that the decking type displayed here is roof deck with unfinished resin board. Other types include floor plate, concrete, or bar grading. Secure and install frame bridging to the underside of the framing. This will improve the rigidity of the structure. Reference the framing plan for the bridging locations. Install any necessary access gates to the mezzanine. Follow the provided instructions and specifications. Shown here is Wildeck's pivot safety gate, and several other gate options are also available. Cut rail as needed and insert onto the guardrail posts. Join the sections together with the provided splices. Perform a final walkthrough with the customer and complete the mezzanine warranty registration sheet. This sheet contains a final checklist and review, and then gets a sign-off from both the installer and the end user. Wildeck offers a full line of guarding products to protect your mezzanine and other warehouse equipment. In addition, we also manufacture lifts to go along with your mezzanine. See our VRC installation tutorial for assistance with that installation.